G'day, Brent here with this weekend's What's On. Again, lots of different events in Wairarapa, and if you'd like to get an event on, please do feel free to let us know. Brent G, BRENTG at morefm.co.nz. Get it on the radio and, of course, on Wairarapa TV. Right, try Featherston Saturday, 9 o'clock. Regos the Regos are at 9. 10 o'clock start. Briefing going to be about 1:45. Looks like a lot of fun. Governor's Green, fundraising for the Scouts. That's happening this weekend. Saturday, Family Fun Day, gold coin donation, free rides all day, mechanical ball, WBS inflatable, foosball, human foosball, very cool, with all money raised going to Great Young Scouts. Happy Mama, Happy Pepe Day is happening at the Carterton Event Centre from 10 o'clock Saturday. Fun games, activities, freebies and free entry. And Seaweek kicks off Saturday, so make sure you check out all the events. There's a whole bunch of them going on from Saturday at Aratoi Museum of Art and History in Masterton. Lots to do on what is going to be a fabulous weekend weather-wise as well in Wairarapa. Like I said, got an event, like to let us know about it? Brent G at morefm.co.nz.